Welcome to Altcoin Today News.
Something's cooking on Shibarium with Bone SHIB teen tweets. As we start the news about Bone, please subscribe now to get the next Bone news. Also, if you want to buy Bone token, you can click on the link in the description to buy Bone token with a credit or debit card with a 10% commission discount. Representative of SHIB team has hinted that something being cooked on Shibarium. The official Shiba Inu marketing lead Lucie has taken to X to publish an intriguing tweet about Shibarium, Bone, and the new SOL killer token DAMN. DAMN Bone on Shibarium DAMN is a recently launched token by the Woofswap DEX built on top of the Layer 2 solution Shibarium, and it contains an inbuilt system for burning Bone Shibaswap, Bone, the gas token of Shibarium. Burning Bone will significantly reduce its supply in the long run, making Bone a deflationary token. Lucie tweeted to hint that something is cooking right now, Shibarium x Bone x DAMN, intriguing the Shiba Inu community. To contribute to burns, the Shiba Inu team has recently conducted a massive burn of SHIB, Bone, and LEASH tokens. In the meantime, Shibarium continues to expand its adoption. The official X handle of Shiba Inu has thanked the cryptocurrency exchange BlueBit for adopting their Layer 2 blockchain. SHIB burn rate rises high according to Shibarium. Within the last 24 hours, the SHIB burn rate has demonstrated an impressive surge by almost 110% with a total of 34,681,610 Shiba Inu coins transferred to dead-end wallets and locked there permanently. A total of 33,673,855 SHIB was transferred in the single biggest transaction, and the smallest transfer contained merely 2 SHIB meme coins. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Bone news. Please do not forget subscribe. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice. Financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.